Project Management Single Lesson Topic 1. This lesson will cover key points at the core of project management. Project management is a process and a method to manage complexity, cost, and time. The process is based on project management best practices. Complexity is managed by isolating, organizing, decomposing, illustrating, and defining the elements of a project. Cost is managed by summarizing the resources in the form of materials, manufacturer parts, purchase parts, people, and equipment. Cost is further managed by monitoring and comparing estimated and actual costs to determine if the project is doing better or worse than anticipated. And in the process, we record lessons learned. One basic example of a project would be building a tower. I would like to make reference to a rhetoric question in the scriptures that illustrate and defines the essence of project management. Who of you wanting to build a tower does not first sit down and calculate the expense to see if he has enough to complete it? The essence of the scriptural wisdom, sitting down and calculating expense, is now equivalent to planning, designing, and budgeting for a project in advance. To complete it involves fabrication, manufacturing, and assembly processes, following a procedure and a timeline. There has to be a balance between managing the costs and completing the task in order to resist the temptation of sacrificing quality to achieve efficiency. The objective of project management is to manage costs, to manage completion, and to manage quality in order to deliver a product on time.